Hello everyone and welcome again to my channel. How are you guys? I hope you are doing okay. So for today's video, I am going to do some manicure, but before that, I'm just going to quickly show you the new Poshy nail design Waterslide decals. So most of these decals are for the Valentine's Day, and yeah, I just want to use some of this. And before that, let me just show you the new designs of Poshy. So Poshy recently released these new designs, and I just got some from the mail today. So I was like, I need to show them how beautiful these decals are. So if you've been watching my videos, you know how I love Poshy, and I always use their Waterslide decals. So yeah, she came up with beautiful Valentine's designs. So you will always get extra decals at the back. So yeah, let me just quickly show you all the other designs and I will be back. So yeah, if you want to purchase from Poshy Nail Design, you can use my code Jessica15 for 15% off. And I also have an ongoing flash giveaway on my Instagram at Jessie Nails, and one winner will win a $20 gift card from Poshy Decals. So yeah, make sure to check out my Instagram if you want to enter. So now I am going to start with my manicure. So I am going to use this Triple D dip powder. It is called My Heart, and I will also be using their dip base. So I'm just going to apply dip base, and I will probably do 2 or 3 layers. So this color is going to be my base color for my decals, and I don't want it to be like plain white, so I chose this color. It is like a light pink, and the name of it is also perfect for the Valentine's Day, and I just want my nail beds to like have a light pink tint to it, so I chose this color. So I am now applying second layer, so I think I am going to do 3 layers. Well, actually, that's my standard layers of dip powders. When it comes to solids, I always like do 3 layers. And then for glitters, my maximum would be 2 or sometimes 3. So yeah, basically, I just want to build up the color so that it is more opaque, and then I don't want my nails to be like super flat, so I make sure to build my layers. And I also noticed that it will chip if my nails are so thin. Make sure to build your nails, and this is after I applied all the colors on my nails, and I really love this color. So I did 3 layers on all of my nails, and I also apply clear. So just to be sure, I always like encapsulate my colors even though it doesn't have shimmers or glitters. So yeah, right now I am now applying Triple D activator, and then after this I am just going to let it dry and then sit for about 5 minutes before I do my filing and shaping. And I will also be showing you how I file and shape my nails. So I am going to start first with a new file. So as usual, I always use Triple D one. I have the old one here. So what I do first, if my file is new, I make sure to like prep it. So make sure to do this so that it won't cut your cuticle area, because a new hand file is always sharp. And then after doing that, I am now going to start with my filing and shaping. So I always start first with the sides of my nails. So I want to achieve first the shape that I want. So since my nails are more of a tapered square nails, I am just going to lightly shape the sides and also to flatten the tip or my free edge. And then on my cuticle area, I always do this. So I make sure that the cuticle area is not too bulky, so I do this way of filing. This will also help me build my apex, so I want the part where the cuticle area is to be like flat, and then it will slightly arch. So I'm not sure if you can see that, but it has that C curve. And yeah, I'm just going to continue doing that, and then using the 180 grit side, I am just going to file the surface to make it like a smooth and to remove those bumps. So this is the importance of applying clear dip powder on top of your colors, whether it is solid or glitters, because in my opinion, when you do your filing and shaping, you don't want the colors to be removed. So yeah, so far this is how my thumb is looking like, and now I am going to use this thin metal hand file. I got this from the Dollar Tree. So I think it comes with 4 metal files in a pack. I'm not really sure how many, but it is really nice for filing the cuticle area, so you have like that nice and clean cuticle area. And I also want to use this stiff brush that I also got from the Dollar Tree to remove those excess dust. And also when filing the sides, I do this motion where I try to curve it so that it doesn't have like a sharp line on the side. And so far this is how it looks like. So as you can see, it has that nice C curve, or what you call apex. It's really important to build your apex especially if you have like a longer nail, so that you don't break a nail and you have like a support underneath, if that makes sense. But yeah, I am now going to lightly buff my nails. So I only always buff the sides, the edges, so that I don't get like sharp edges after filing. And I also lightly buff the cuticle area to remove some harsh lines from the metal hand file that I used a while ago. And yeah, you can actually also like buff the surface. You can buff that as well to remove any scratches that you got from the hand file. After I do buffing, I am going to use this like manicure stick, or I really don't know the exact name for this, but I got it from SHEIN. So I use it to like clean the cuticle area to remove all dust that accumulated during my filing. So it comes in a pack, and it comes with a lot of pieces in one pack. And this one is disposable, but you can actually reuse it, in my opinion, because it's not wood, it's kind of plastic. And you can also use the other side, not the pointy one, to also clean that cuticle area. So yeah, after cleaning my cuticle area, this is how it looks like. So I'm just going to file the rest of my nails, and this is after I did that. So yeah, that is how I file and shape my nails. And after that, I am now going to apply the Waterslide Decal from Poshy, and I decided to use this one. This one is called French Hearts, and it comes with 2 colors, the pink and the black. So right now I am just measuring it and making sure that it will fit my nails from sidewalls to sidewalls. And after that, I am going to cut it. So with this decal, you can use it 2 times because it comes with 12, I think. Yeah, it comes with 12 pieces. You have 2 extra just in case. And after cutting it, I am now going to submerge it in a water and wait for a couple of minutes, 1 to 2 minutes. And while I am waiting for that, I am now going to apply gel base and cure it in the lamp for 30 to 60 seconds, depends on your lamp settings. And then I am going to use the Poshy Nail Design Stumper, Jelly Stumper, to apply it. So I'm just straining some of the water and then put it on top of the clear Jelly Stumper, slide off the paper, and then tap all excess water. And I am now going to stamp it on my nail. Then I realized that I didn't want the placement of the decal, it's too near. So I kinda pulled the Waterslide Decal more on the free edge. So I carefully drag the decal, but you really don't want to do that because it might tear or destroy the decal. I'm so glad that it didn't happen. So now I am cutting the extra decals on my free edge and on the sides of my nails. And yeah, it is really actually super easy. Make sure also to tap the side so that everything is laying flat. And this is after I applied it to all of my nails. I just did the same process. So now it is time to top coat everything, and I am going to use MANICURE 2-in-1 base gel and top coat. And then I am going to cure it in the lamp for a minute or two, and after that, this is how it looks like. So now it's time to apply cuticle oil. So I'll be using this new limited edition scent from Scales of a Mermaid. It is called Know I Love You, so it is part of their Valentine's collection. So this is going to be a limited edition scent, and it will be available on February 9th, 2022. And it will be released at 8 p.m. Eastern Time. So if you want to purchase from them, I have a discount code Jessie10 for 10% off. So yeah, this is the finished look, and I hope you enjoyed this video. And here is the finished look. I think they turned out super cute. So yeah, I'll be putting all the products that I use in the description box, and make sure to give this video a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. Thank you so much guys for watching, and see you again next time. Bye!